I am badass.
Steph is here. She has her own shop in Belgium. Schön. If you could describe your perfect haircut, what would it be?
It should be shorter than this.
Yeah.
It's too long, and you see I have a lot of hair.
Definitely.
So it should be easy to style, but it should give me different styling options and something edgy, not boring.
This is quite grown up. I think 8 to 10 weeks to get here.
Completely.
You saved it especially for me.
Of course.
Such an honor. How short would you like the back? Because we can go super short, very tight, which makes it a little more edgy. Or do you like the softness and the little wispiness of the back?
I like both.
Ooh. And we do one side of, you have some roots. You're not this blonde from yourself. So, if you go very short here, you see your natural hair color, and we can blend it into the blonde. I really like that. I always love a good two-tone, but I don't know if you like it or not. It's going to be shorter over here as well then. So you'll see a natural color popping out here as well.
Okay.
Then we can connect it to the top and leave a little length. You wear it like this now. I'll wear it a little more to the front and wear it a little more round. When it grows, you can style it to the left, to the right. You can even wear it a little bit up. You can wear it messy. I think the most important thing is you need to lose a lot of weight in your hair.
Yes, here it's like
super full and heavy. So just take out a lot of bulk.
yes, sure. I think can be very cool.
It's going to be a very different look than this one, though. A little more badass.
I am badass inside.
This is a little
True.
different than what you usually have.
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
Yeah? Cool. Then we're going to do that. Don't you guys forget to hit the subscribe button down here. Follow Steph. I'll link her Instagram and her shop as well. Enjoy the ride. You guys enjoy the video and see you at the end. There we go.
Go for it.
Just teasing you a little bit. Wow, you have an amazing natural color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do.
Oh, those long sideburns. Oh.
Say goodbye. Ooh.
Different, right?
Right.
It's easier with short.
Yeah. Looks already fresh.
See the difference on this side and this side?
Completely.
How full this is and how nice and compact this already looks.
Completely. So you don't use any scissors now?
I do use scissors. I'm going to use them to finish off and detail all the cuts. But I want to show you can do a lot more with clippers than just shave somebody's head, because people always think as soon as they see one of these that you're going to shave it all off.
Incredible.
You can do cool hairstyles with it as well.
I never knew. If you know how to use it.
Definitely. Hey, but if you like a challenge, I can do the full cut with clippers.
I'm sure.
I like a challenge as well.
Sure.
I'm not going to use any scissors.
Okay, go for it.
Cool.
No clue how you will do with my thick hair. Okay. Does it take more time when you do it only with...
No, it's just a little more risky, because if you slip one time or if you cut too big a part, then it's gone.
Okay, yeah, then you have to shave it.
You're not scared easily.
No, I trust you.
I said she was gonna look panicking in a second, but she's not.
The crazy thing is, as if you did a toner, but you didn't.
No, it looks like I did a toner, or I'm covered in white and gray hair. Because I blended all the gray and the blonde hair, and I really took out a lot of weight. So there's shorter and longer parts here.
Yeah.
But the shadow makes it look lighter and darker.
Okay.
And your natural color pops out underneath.
Génial.
Oui, oui.
I love it. So what are you using?
This is definition spray, statement, and it's a little bit comparable with sea salt spray. Classic pomade. See, it looks a little wet looking. It's not black, actually.
Okay.
That's because of the container. So if you just pick it out, see?
Yum.
Spread it across your hands, warm it up a little. It gets more controllable when it's warm. and it hardens up when it cools off. Always start in the back, never start in the front, because then everything that's on your hand is left over here. It's all greasy and gooey. There's nothing for the back. It's better to start here, spread it, and then what's left you can style your bangs with, or you can take a little bit extra out of the container and do the front with it. So spread it, it gets way more flexible, and just squeeze it in. Work it all the way in, everywhere. And spread it one more time, and then what's left, you can do the bangs. Like I said, I want them to look soft and be to the front, so there's not too much definition spray and not too much product in there. And over here, there's a little more, so you can really see the movement and the texture. And to finish it off, to make sure it stays like this all day, you can use a hairspray. This one has medium hold. It smells amazing. Doesn't smell like
I love it.
horrible hairspray.
It's like holidays.
Yeah, and it's medium hold, which means that when it's dry, you can still kind of move your hair around without having those little white dust particles, or it feels like this is a helmet. It still stays soft and in place.
Cool.
I really, really like it. You look incredible.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Voila.
Okay. Very nice. I actually love this. I would never have dared.
So cool. All right, that's it. All right, that's it, guys. We're done. I'm gonna spin you a 180. I have to do it a little slow so it keeps you in focus. Yes, back quickly. Hey, don't kick the camera. I love it. You look incredible.
Thank you.
Let me know what you guys think of the cut down here in the comments. Follow Steph. She's linked down here as well. Her shop. Schön.
Dankeschön.
Ja, gern gemacht, doch? Oder gerne?
Perfekt.
Ja, so, mein Deutsch ist auch okay. A super cool way to blend natural gray with bleach blonde hair. A little more powerful, a little tougher than when you came in. It was super soft and feminine. This is more badass because someone said
I am badass inside. Oh, me?
yeah, oui. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you so much.
Who knows, I'll see you and you guys in the next video. Bye bye.